To set messages in a chat on WhatsApp to auto disappear after 90 days in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open WhatsApp. And then tap the record chat you like to enable its disappearing message feature. Tap more icon or 3 vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select disappearing messages. And then select 90 days. Tap the back icon. By choosing this setting, now new messages will disappear automatically from this chat for everyone 90 days or 3 months after you send them, except to those messages you kept. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.